Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. It's a liquid and harmful to humans. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is generally harmful and corrosive. It can cause severe burns and respiratory issues, so it's important to handle it with care. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about hydrochloric acid, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.